Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight schedules in the SriLankan Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the Flight Schedule button, and then just scroll down, and for this you have to set the origin and the destination country or airport, and then you have to set the date when you're traveling, and then the date of your stay. And once you did that, just click on the search button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.